process of that. You can just start small. You can bone out your own chicken if you've bought it. You can do that with a bone out of a leg of lamb. And once you've removed that bone, you can seam out the muscles and have 5 little roasts or small parts to grill. But remember to save the bones. Again, nose to tail. Keep those bones. Make fabulous broths. Slow simmer them. They're fantastic.
The whole idea of using, the whole animal. I mean, when you go to the grocery store, how often do you buy a whole animal, right? Maybe if you buy a whole chicken. But this is what struck me. I buy a whole chicken and I roast it. How much waste? And I have to say, this whole season has really sort of brought forward in my mind the amount of waste in my kitchen. And, you use that chicken. Rarely, if ever, do I save the bones and make a stock from it. Rarely, if ever, will I take that skin and then fry it up and use it, as a garnish or, something to snack on. Rarely, if ever, will I render out all that fat and say, okay, now I have a really flavorful fat that I can churn with my butter or something else and use it as the base for a saute. So it got me thinking that these nose to tail practices, they're not just for artisan butchers. They're not just for TV. It's really something that we can incorporate and bring into our home.